If you would like to make your ChatGPT look more beautiful, then this is definitely for you guys. This is my free Chrome extension called Custom Themes for ChatGPT. To install it, all you need to do is to come to the Chrome Web Store right here. And once you found the application, click here on Add to Chrome. I will make sure to leave a link in the description of this video so you can easily find it right away. So to add it right away, we click here on Add to Chrome. Then we click on Add Extension, and we will then get to this beautiful onboarding screen. But basically speaking, the extension now is already installed. All you need to do to make it work now is to make sure that dark mode is enabled in your ChatGPT. So to make sure that that is the case, we will simply open up ChatGPT. Then in the upper right corner, we click on the profile icon. And under General, simply make sure that it says dark right here. Once you've done that, you can go back to the onboarding right here and then choose one of the 10 free themes right here. Then scroll down and click here on Open ChatGPT now. And right away, your free theme will then be activated. As you can see, you now have a beautiful ChatGPT. And everything styled perfectly, including all the buttons right here and also the sidebar. Now when you write on ChatGPT, you will have a much more beautiful experience. These themes come with custom fonts, as you can see, and they also include beautiful headers just like this. And if you're asking for some code, everything will look stunning as well. Now if you would like to choose another theme, all you need to do is to come up here to the puzzle icon in the Google Chrome bar, then make sure to pin the custom themes for ChatGPT application right here. And then you can simply choose a theme from there. For example, we can change to Cyberpunk right here. Or maybe select one of the premium themes like Circuit Grid right here. Or VSH Glitch. On top of that, at the bottom of the extension right here, you have a super practical font size toggle that lets you easily adjust the font size on ChatGPT. Believe it or not, this feature is not present in ChatGPT until this day. Pretty hard to believe, but that's just the truth. But with this extension right here, you can simply use this font size toggle right here to change the font size right away. If you want to change back to the boring default theme, which is probably something that you never want to do again anyway, simply click here on Default. On top of that, I'm currently working on some premium themes like this Cyberpunk city right here that has floating particles and this beautiful cyberpunk background. And these premium themes will be available very soon. Here's another premium theme called Enchanted Forest. This one here as well will be available any day. And for those of you guys that are super serious about work, I have created this ultra minimal dark mode pro theme. It's much better for your eyes than the original dark mode theme of ChatGPT. And that is because it uses true black color, as you can see right here and right here. So if you need to focus on work for hours and hours in ChatGPT, this is the theme for you to go. And it will be available in a few days as well, and it's actually completely free. On top of that, if you're going to use an OLED display, this is going to save you some serious battery life. And that's it, guys. So all you need to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store right here and click on Add to Chrome to install these beautiful custom ChatGPT themes. As mentioned before, you will find the link to this extension in the description of this video. Last but not least, if you enjoy these themes, I would be very grateful if you could leave a review. And with that said, I wish all of you guys a lovely day. Talk to you soon. Bye.